Today I wanted to do some accuracy testing with my drone. I made a simple mission for the drone, which basically told it to take off, fly to first waypoint, fly to the second waypoint where it would land, release the package, take off, and then fly to a third waypoint where it will return to launch and land. Here's the first flight. The flight went well, but that's not a surprise because I've already done a similar flight. The interesting thing to see is how accurate the drone is when I repeat the mission. So here's the second flight. The first time I went to pick up the package, I made a mark in the ground so I could see where it landed the first time. And to my surprise, the drone repeated the mission perfectly. It put the package right where I left the mark. This is the third and the last test. The drone wasn't quite as accurate on the third try. It was about 40 centimeters off. It's interesting how the drone is super exact when it does the deliveries, but when it does the return to launch, it's usually about 2 meters away from where it took off. There are maybe some parameters that I have to tune. But thank you very much for watching the video.